Hello students, welcome to Vihan Pratik Institute of Education and welcome to online mathematical classes. We are discussing chapter number 9, applications of trigonometry. So these are real time or real life based examples we are studying as part of the textbook only, and I am your facilitator M. Shiva Kumar. In exercise 9.1, today we are discussing question number 7, which states that from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. See students, this is little bit tricky. Now we need to find the height of this tower, which is not given. Only height of the building is given. This is given. This is given. This is not given. How to analyze this? Now let's start analyzing this solution. Given, what is given? Given that height of building is 20 meters. Only that is given. And angle of elevation angles as 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. Now let's redraw the picture again for analyzation. Let's assume there is a building. Now let's assume this is the building. The height of the building is 20 meters. Now there is a point on the ground. Let's assume this point. We rename it as A. So this is the point on the ground. We named it as A. Now it is joined to the foot of the building. Now a tower is erected, a mobile tower. Now tower is on the top of the building. We don't know the height of this tower. So one angle of elevation is towards the bottom of the tower or top of the building, which is 45 degrees. Another angle of elevation is from the top of the tower, which is 60 degrees. Okay. So we name it as B, this as C, and this as D. So this is what we need to find. So to find that, let's analyze this. AB is not given. Horizontal distance AB is not given. This is not given. This is not given. So we cannot find the whole triangle. And this is not given. So it is not possible to find the triangle. So what we'll do, we'll split this into two triangles. One triangle, one right angle triangle with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Another right angle triangle with an elevation of 60 degrees. Okay. So in 45 degrees, we'll find out the value of DB. In 60 degrees, we'll find out the value of CB. The total height of the building is BC. This BC, which will equal to height of the building BD, which is given, this BD, plus CD. CD is the height of the tower. So from this, if we subtract BD, like CD equals to BC minus BD. So we need to find out only BC. So once BC is found out, we can subtract BD from BC. We will get CD. CD is the height of the tower. This is what our analysis is. Okay. Right. So now let's consider the smaller triangle. A triangle consisting of points A, B, D. Only building. The height of the building is 20. Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. So opposite is given, we need to find out adjacent AB. Therefore, we'll consider trigonometric ratio tan theta. So tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Now here opposite is BD, adjacent is AB. Angle is 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees equals to, the value of BD is 20 meters. AB we don't know, we need to find it out. The value of tan theta, tan 45 is 1. So 1 equals to 20 by AB, which will equal to AB equals to 20 meters. Therefore, the horizontal distance, this horizontal distance is 20 meters. Now we got AB. Now we can consider the bigger triangle. In bigger triangle consisting of B, C, just now we found out B, AB, BC, AB, just now we found out, and AC. The angle is 60 degrees. So from this, tan 60 degrees is equals to BC opposite by adjacent AB. Okay. Now tan 60 is root 3. So root 3, or I'll write down here, root 3 is equals to, the value of BC we don't know, we write it as BC, but the value of AB from this equation 1 is 20. Therefore, BC equals to cross multiplication 20 into root 3. Now we know this equation. BC equals to, total height equals to BD, height of the building, plus CD, height of the tower. So from this, the height of the tower CD is equals to BC, height of the total building, minus height of the building. So BC, just now we got 20 root 3, minus BD we know 20, which will equal to, taking 20 common, CD equals to, if we take 20 common, root 3 minus 1 meters is the height of the tower. So CD equals to 20 root 3 minus 1 is the answer. If you want more precise value, what we'll do? We'll write CD equals to 20. In place of root 3, we'll write it as 1.732 minus 1, which will equal to CD equals to 20 into 0.732. So which will equal to 14.62 meters. So height of the tower CD is equals to, this height is equals to 14.62 meters is the answer. This height of the tower is 14.62 meters is the answer. Please go through the video, students. Do it by yourself, solve by yourself, go through each step. So watch video clearly, go through, do by yourself. If you got doubt, text me in the channel or text me directly. Thank you, students.